Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply for a tourist visa to Philippines online. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened official Philippine government site, which is also called Philippines Visa Application Portal. So first thing is to select country of citizenship. So you need to do it as per your case. Don't go after what I am doing. Okay. So if I select India, for example, I'm not an Indian citizen, but just for the purpose of this video, and I click on submit. So for now time being, it is accepting only for temporary visitor visa. You can say tourist visa. Initial submission only. After you submit the application, doesn't mean that your application is in progress. Once you have submitted, you need to contact the relevant embassy or consulate, and there will be instructions on how to proceed. And you need to be able to print, sign, and upload your application form together with an ID photo. Okay. So here we are. So as we read above that it is applicable for this temporary visitor visa, and for that your passport and travel document should be valid for at least 6 months, duly accomplished visa print from proof of bona fide status as tourist, confirmed ticket for return or onwards journey. Okay, that's very common requirement. So click on apply for individual visa. So it's asking new or continue application, so I select new. Okay, so it's asking visa type. So let's say you're going for tourism. How many entries you want? Multiple entry of whichever you fill. I said this one. Country of application, because it will tell you where exactly to submit your application. Okay, so if you go for India, then you can select where you have. So you have options in Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Okay, email and confirm email and click on next. Okay, so I'm gonna do that and click on next. All right, so here you need to upload your photo. Okay, and then you need to put the information. Like a lot of people ask question that I don't have surname or something, so if you don't have, check this, then it becomes like this. Then okay, let me put some sample. ah, Place of birth, date of birth. You need to do as per your case, guys. Just don't go after what I'm doing. This age is auto populated. Occupation it is asking. These are very common questions like address, phone number of the place you are working at. Any like governments do ask these questions just to verify. Parents name, sample guys. You need to enter as per your case. Civil status single, name and if any, passport details, this definitely they ask, nationality if you have, port of entry, days, how many days you're gonna stay, destination after Philippines. Do you have a spouse reference in Philippines? Have you ever been issued a Philippine visa? Document support, you're gonna put financial proof, it's already checked, air ticket, valid travel document, Others, if you want to include, you can, and you can specify what. Have you ever been refused a Philippine visa? You can select that based on your case. Be very careful to answer these questions, because last thing you would like is to put any wrong information, right? So let me see what happens. I have not filled up some mandatory fields, so yeah, I knew. Passport sample. Now, oh, thanks. Invalid data. All the required fields. I have not uploaded a picture. Let me see if I can bypass that somehow. Okay, so what it does, like, please scan and upload your duly signed visa application form and copy of your passport data page. Your application is not complete until you have uploaded your signed form and a copy of your passport. Okay, so from here you can download, and you can sign, scan, and you need to upload, and from here you submit application. Then it goes for processing, and it will give you further instructions what you need to do, including payment and other things. So that's how it works, guys, and I hope you're gonna like this video. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.